Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Newberg, Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, March 6th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. First off, we'll look at the active listings. This last week, we had 6 homes come on the market in Newberg, which is still pretty low, but up from last week. You can kind of see we had a high of 15 homes come on the market here about 3 weeks back. And then we ended this last week with a total of 19 homes on the market, which is down 1 from the prior week. So very, very little on the market right now. Median list price and days on market for the actives. You can kind of see that's been jumping around a bit. We were about a high of 727,000 about 6 weeks ago. And then we were pretty flat for about a month period here at around 625 or so. This last week, we jumped up to 715 was the median or midpoint for the price of the active listings. And then the days on market, you can kind of see we had a low of 5 days here about 5 weeks back, and it's been trending up this past 6 weeks. So on average, we've got about 31 days on the market. Things have been coming on the market and selling pretty quickly, but the homes that have been remaining, they have been kind of sitting a little longer. That's why we're seeing this go up. Moving on to the pendings here, pending sales. This last week, we had 9 homes go into pending status. That's down a bit from the prior week at 12. And we had a total pendings as of this weekend of 58, which is down from the prior couple of weeks here. Median price, days on market information. So median price, you can kind of see it has been kind of steadily increasing. We were at 460 about 6 weeks ago, got up to a high of 575 2 weeks ago, and this last week dropped a bit down to 538,000. And then the days on market been pretty flat here the past 3 or 4 weeks at 5. So hasn't been a lot of movement there, but things obviously going pending very quickly on average. And then lastly, we'll look at the sold listing activity here. As of the time I put this together, I showed that we had 9 closings here in Newberg last week, which was down from 14 the week prior, but kind of in line with where it's been over the past 6 weeks. And looking back over the prior 4 weeks here, we had a total of 38 closings over the past 4 weeks, which again is kind of in line with where it's been, down a bit from the week prior, but you can kind of see it's kind of right in the middle of where it's been. Median sold price and the days on market, that has been rising in terms of the median price. It's been about 440 or so for a while. This past couple of weeks, it's been climbing. 462 weeks ago. This last week was 493,000 was the median sold price for the solds. And then the days on market has been trending down. We were at a high of 8, and then over the last 6 weeks, it's kind of gotten down to 4 days on average this last week. So again, things that are going pending and selling are going very, very quickly. And then finally, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and sale price as a percent of the original list price. Red bars is the weeks of inventory. It has been kind of floating between 2 to 3. I had a high of 3.5 weeks here 3 weeks ago, but this last week we came in at right around 2, which was unchanged from the prior week. And then the sale price as a percent of the original list price, you can kind of see it's been hovering right around full price to a little bit above full price here over the past 5-6 weeks now. So things obviously very competitive in Newberg. Not enough inventory to go around. Still very much a seller's market, and things selling very close to, if not above, full asking price. So to get a better look at the update, you can always click the link or button below the video, and it'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look if you'd like. So hope this update's been helpful to you. If so, always appreciate any likes, comments, shares, follows that you might have. So appreciate that. And if I can ever answer any questions or be of any help with your particular situation, please give me a call or send me a message, and I would be happy to help. So thanks for watching, and make it a great day.